Welcome. In front of me is a POCO Tab M1, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool, similar to this one that I have right over here. And this will come provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere between the paperwork. But if you can't find it, you could actually use something like paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. As long as the diameter of the little insert pin right here isn't thicker than the insert area, which you can find on the same side where you have your volume rockers. As you can see, it's right over here. So grab the tool, put it in here. For me, it's a little bit of a tight fit. That's what she said. And just push it in. Okay, that wasn't an intentional joke, but whatever. Moving on. Once you do, it pops up a little bit, so you can now pull it out. And it looks like I actually lied to you. So we only have space for SD card, no SIM card. Oh well. Now, I don't know if there is a different version of this tablet that comes with mobile connectivity. If it does, then this filled area that I have right here will be empty for you. You can plop in your SIM card on here. Now, for me, it's filled out, so I can't really put anything here, but I can put my SD card right here. There we go. So, it's just going to lay flatly on the tray right here. And once it does, you just want to insert it back into your device. There we go. And you can see it gives us a pop-up Samsung SD card, so it automatically detects the SD card inserted, and you're good to go. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.